at Wagtail. Today I am taking y'all on a live canvassing. So I got a call from a lady. She didn't leave a message, and I thought it was telemarketing. Something told me to call this number back. So I called the number back, and the lady answered the phone and says, "Hi, are you still cleaning windows?" I don't know why everyone starts off like that. When they call you, "Are you still in business?" Or are you still cleaning windows? I guess they're right to ask this because of COVID, and most businesses are not, servicing right now, or they may be having limited services, as well as even the essential businesses are having limited services. But anyways, I said yes, and she says she lives in this town it's a half an hour, it's 35 minutes away, so I'm driving 35 minutes just to take a look at the house. I tried to ask, she said, "How soon can I get her an estimate?" So this lady wants an estimate very soon. So, word to the wise, when you get a call, it's in your best interest to jump on it quick, because people are hungry right now. And if this lady wants it done, she may or may not wait for you to come out and take a look. She's going to keep checking around, or bargain shop, or whatever it is that people do. So I said, I don't want to lose this job because I need the money. And I said, you know what? I called her back and told her that I'm going to come right out now. I'll be there in a half an hour. I'm leaving now. I didn't wait. I went on Google Earth to try and look at her house, but her house, for some reason, Google Earth cannot see. She has a 2-story house. Judging from Google Earth, it doesn't look like it. So when all possible, if you're going to do an estimate off of Google Earth or over the phone, just reassure them that it is an estimate. It doesn't mean that that's the price. So I said, if you really want to get a more precise estimate that you can feel comfortable, and I can feel comfortable in giving, then if you don't mind taking pictures of all 4 sides of your house and send them to me by text. So I guess she doesn't want to do that. It's just too much trouble for her. So I said, you know what? I'm just going to come out and I'm going to give you that estimate now so you'll know what you're dealing with. So she asked me how long I've been in business. I haven't started my own business and been in business within 25 years, but I've been in the trade 25 years. So when she asked me how long I've been in business, I wasn't lying to her. I've been in the business of window cleaning for over 25 years. So it's the same thing. I told her that I used to hang off the buildings and do Trump's casinos. And she was like, "Oh my." So yeah, I'm just telling y'all the story until we get there. And I said, "I love my job." And she says, "That's what I want to hear." You see, customers, they want to hear that you love your job and that you take pride in your job and that you're very, very meticulous when it comes to your job. And it doesn't help to hype yourself up and say you're a perfectionist. They love to hear this. They love to know that they have the right person for the job that they hired to do. So I'm going to go there and I'm going to wine and dine this lady. I'm going to impress the tookers off of her. Watch. You see, you got to make customers feel comfortable, and they don't want a salesman. They want somebody to be natural, all right? Just like as if you were talking to a friend. And she is my friend. You know why? Because she's going to put bucks in my pocket. That's all the friend I need. You see, my friends are business people. My friends are people that are going to look out for me. My friends are people that's going to fatten my pockets up and help me survive. Your friends out in the street, they ain't helping you. They ain't putting money in your pocket. You know what I mean? I wouldn't even call them a friend. I'd call them an associate. And then you have close associates, and then you have friends. Then you have best friends. You see, there's a categories of people who you do business with or socialize with. I would never call them friends. I would call them associates. Some I would call close associates. And I don't think I can really call anyone that I know an actual friend. Friend. I had one best friend, but that was when I was a kid in West Philly. But that's it. All right, so enough of that talk. Let's go, and I'll see you when we get there. All right, there are some huge houses out here. This is like a rich part of South Jersey area. That and a few other towns, but this is one of them. People out here got bucks. I mean bucks. I mean, you should see some of these houses. So I imagine the house is a good size, but it's just the outside. So I'm cool with that. You know, I am cool with that. All right, so let's see what we're dealing with. I guess I should probably have my mask on when I'm up inside these people's faces. We're in their house. I could just take them off. That's fine. Let's count these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.